Alright, before we get started with this video, I want to give a quick shout out to my nephew Rashawn. He's in the hospital right now and we can't go visit him, so we're going to visit him right here through the camera. Hang in there, buddy. I know you'll be feeling better really soon. Now, how about a maintenance tip video? Alright, quick little maintenance tip video. Heck, maybe it's even a rant, but at least once a month, pop the hood and check your fluids under the hood. Even better would be every couple of weeks, but at the bare minimum every like 30 days or so. Just a quick visual before I even touched anything, and I can see that the fluid, well, you probably can't see it, but it's a little bit low in the power steering, and I can see why. You can see we have a power steering leak here, and it's leaking onto our alternator. So if we don't fix that, eventually not only will we be fixing that, but we'll be replacing the alternator too. And just another quick look around without even touching anything. We don't have any coolant in our reservoir, so obviously that's an issue. We have most likely a leak. Now this is cold, so I don't have to worry about this being scalded. Yeah, we don't have any coolant in there, so right away we know we have an issue. We don't even have to find the leak. We know, hey, if we don't have coolant in our reservoir, and especially if it's not up to the top here, we got a problem. All we have to do is follow our hose around and we can see there's our leak right there. Big major leak. So without even touching anything in any tools, I saw 2 leaks just like that. So hey, just basic maintenance. Once a month, pop the hood, look around, see what you see. In any event, hey, if this little tip helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.